Nice today, also on the 6th of July 2023, and we have Nelikkotie fjärdingsvingen 14 stickers B. We have filmed the stickers A here before. It's here in Matinkylä, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusimaa, Finland. It says 01 or 2001 on the glass here. So I think this is built in 2002, so it's the beginning of 2002. It was finished. I think they like this. What kind of broken ones? Oh,
yeah.
Weird. Right, flush here. Yeah, also built in the beginning of 2002, turned 20 years old in 2022 in Synchronisation 7, 1, 2, 1, 1, and the capacity is 8 versus 46 spectaculars. It's going to be inspected in 2025. We have the other way to go with us today.
Yeah.
I'll press the couple. Oh! Can? Oh yeah. Alright.
Expected by Vice, maintained by Kone.
She was also with me when I filmed the parking lot Sigma here.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, yeah, in this area. Thinking, what are we doing?
Yeah.
Everything is fine. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't worry, we'll continue.
That's.
I'm gonna take pictures here.